How to disable chat filter in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. After you're in the Roblox app, log into your account. Then click on gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now click on settings in here. After you have clicked on settings in here, you'll find this kind of screen. On the left side, click on privacy and content restrictions. Now in privacy and content restriction, you'll find this kind of screen. Make sure it's restricted. Make sure the circle isn't restricted. Simply swipe the circle. After you've swiped the circle, to make sure it's in restricted, you should verify your age. Click on verify now, and then you will need to add any of your IDs. After you have added your ID, you're good to go. This is how to disable chat filter in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.